Project number 3.
Control 2 motors in sequence after time delay. Hello everyone. The following circuit diagram shows the connections of two input push buttons and two output contactors coils to a typical PLC. In the diagram, we observe two conveyors facilitating the movement of industrial waste from one location to another. Each conveyor is powered by a motor responsible for generating the necessary movement for proper operation. Pressing the start and stop push buttons initiates and halts the system respectively. Logic of the control program. Pressing the start button activates the conveyor motor M1, and after a 10-second delay, M2 activates automatically. Pressing the stop button immediately halts M1, and after a 10-second delay, M2 deactivates automatically.
In this video, I show you how the project code runs on Semantic Manager and then present its modified version using ISPSoft and ComGR for Delta PLC. The full Delta PLC code is also included. Now let's see how the project solution works using Semantic Manager software.
The program is consisted of 4 networks. I have M1 and M2, and these are my outputs, Q0 and Q1, to control the M1 and M2 respectively. These are my 2 timers, a start timer and a stop timer. And these are my inputs, a start and a stop. The whole program is consisted of 2 timers and 4 networks. I go ahead and start the virtual PLC and tap on the start push button. Notice that M1 turned on, and the start timer is also measuring the time. When it gets to 10 seconds, the M2 is gonna start. And M2 right now is on. And I go ahead and stop it. Notice that M1 turns off right away. And a stop timer is measuring the time. When it gets to 0 time, M2 turns off automatically. I start it again, and the same process continues. The start timer is measuring the time. At the end of it, M2 is going to turn on. I stop it. The stop timer starts measuring the time, and M1 turns off right away. After 10 seconds, M2 turns off. Right now, both motors are off. I go ahead, turn on by clicking on the start button, and the same process continues. Okay, my friends, this is the end of showing the performance of this pre-written program.
Now let's watch the solution for the same PLC program using ISPSoft and ComGR software. In this video, I showed you how to successfully test the project code on a virtual Delta PLC. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.